All right, guys, it's Saul, your favorite Persian redneck, and today we are at our newest project, the Lupine Project out here in Phoenix, Arizona. I'm excited to bring you guys through this home. This property took a couple of months to complete, but it has undergone a complete renovation, and it has some really nice design cues that I think you guys will love to see. All right, you guys, welcome inside our newest project out here in Phoenix, Arizona. Let's get that door shut. So this house is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2,021 square foot, fully remodeled property in the heart of Phoenix. We've gone all out with this flip with some brass hardware. We have some beautiful accents around the house, such as over there we have some amazing accent walls with some shiplap and some built-ins. Over here, we have the bedrooms for the property. They have some really cool fixtures, which you'll see shortly in the bathrooms. We have some awesome subway tile and just brand new ceiling fans throughout, paint, texture, flooring, the whole shebang. As a whole, this property is really cool because it has a relatively open floor plan. It has a pool with a diving board for those of you with kids, and it is currently pending. So go ahead and take a look around, and I'll catch you next time.